Kerala government and the people of Wayanand since 30th morning. So far we have recovered almost 100 plus bodies. Overall the body count is much more. In addition, we have helped rescue a number of people from the trapped areas. We have also inducted almost 500 soldiers into this. This is in addition to the Air Force, Navy and other components of the forces that are here. We, as of now, are on the third day of the operation which we have launched. Almost all people who are trapped and needed rescue have been rescued. Now we need to get into the houses and see if there are any people who are trapped inside the houses whom we cannot find. For that we need heavy equipment. Our bridge is nearing completion at 10 o'clock today, and once the bridge comes up, it will be a major change. We will be able to induct all equipment into the site, and once the equipment goes into the site, then we will be able to dig for people, heavy equipment. That is what we are planning to do. So by 10 o'clock, this bridge, which has been constructed by our efforts day and night, has now come up, will be coming up at 10 o'clock. And this is going to change the dynamics of the rescue operation.
I feel how I felt when my father died. That I've seen so many people. I remember what I felt when my father died. And here people have not just lost a father. They've lost the whole family, entire family, brother, sister, mother, father. So I know what I felt, and this is much worse than that. And it's not one person who's feeling it, it's thousands of people who are feeling it. So it's very, very sad. And I think we all owe these people respect, affection, and we should all be standing with them. And I'm very proud that a lot of people are standing with the people of Wayanad. In fact, the whole nation's attention is towards Wayanad, and I'm sure that the whole nation is going to help the people of Wayanad. Thank you very much.